Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, make sure you subscribe and like this video. So today I'm going to be showing you how to get this everyday look that I do. This is the look that I go for when I am running errands, going to work, or just going out to like a relative's or something and I don't need too much. This is still full coverage but looks really subtle and glowy on the skin. And it's really quick to do. So if you like this look, please keep watching. So I start by prepping my skin with the Glowtopia oil. I love this oil because it's really hydrating on the skin, and when my face feels really dry, especially that day, Glowtopia oil helps hydrate it. And this smells like a spa. Next, I apply a little bit of my Face Atelier foundation. I try to keep it as light coverage as possible because this is a quick makeup look. I'm not trying to do too much. I want it to look natural but still give me the coverage I need. I like to start from the forehead and then just work my way down. And then to set my face, I like to use the Airspun translucent powder. And then I'm using my Urban Decay Perversion mascara to add some mascara to my lashes. And now I'm applying my foundation to the lower half of my face. Then I go in with a light yellow corrector to brighten up my under eyes. And if you have darker skin tone, you can go in with a red corrector. The red will help cancel out any darkness on the face and discoloration. So after I'm done blending in the yellow corrector, I go over it with my LC Cosmetics concealer. For concealer, I like to go in with my beauty sponge to blend that out. And then I go in with my translucent powder to set my under eyes right after I blend it so that it doesn't crease. And then I will continue powdering the rest of my face. Then I use my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer to bronze my face. As you can tell, I have hit pan on this bronzer. It's the go-to bronzer that I use and love. And then for an everyday makeup look, I'm not perfect on my contour, but I do sometimes like to contour my nose with a bronzer as well. Just because I feel like when I bronze my nose too, it just ties it all in together. And then for blush, I am using my LC Cosmetics in the shade Pink Lagoon blush. And for the highlighter, I'm using the Dose of Colors highlighter. I don't always go in with highlighter on my everyday makeup look, but sometimes if I want it to look a little nicer and I want to glow, I do add highlighter as well. But I do keep it light on the highlighter, and I'll brush it over with my powder brush just to have it subtle and look like it's a glow within. And I do like to go in lightly with a brown shade underneath my eyes, and then add a light color like Decay from the KKW Beauty palette into the inner corner of my eyes to brighten that up. And then for my eyebrows, I will slightly fill it in with eyeshadow. And I don't know if you noticed, but I skipped eyeshadow. You don't have to, you can add eyeshadow if you'd like, but my eyelids are naturally like a brown shade, so people always think I have eyeshadow on even when I don't. So I think it still goes and looks good even without anything for an everyday look. So for my everyday makeup look now, because of the masks, I don't always wear lipstick. I'll usually just wear a lip balm or a lip gloss to keep my lips hydrated. But if I am going to be wearing lipstick, I line my lips first with a pink shade or a taupe shade lip liner. I wanted to darken the lip liner, so that's why I went in with a more dark taupe shade here. And then I'm going in with a Dose of Colors matte lipstick. I don't know the shade of this. I will have all the products that I use listed down below though. And then I go over it with the Persona Cosmetics gloss in the shade Peach. So this is the final look. If you guys liked it, make sure you like this video and don't forget to subscribe, because I am going to be having more videos coming up soon that I'm working on. So you don't want to miss it. Make sure you subscribe, and thank you guys for watching.